In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter Uber 1099 NEC income in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening your tax return. Once you are inside the return, go to the left-hand menu, click Federal, and then select Income. On the Income page, scroll down until you reach Self-Employment. Next to Self-Employment Income and Expenses, also called Schedule C, click Start or Review, depending on what appears in your return. TurboTax will ask what kind of work you do. In the I work in field, type rideshare driving or Uber driving business, then click Continue. On the next screen, choose rideshare driving as the work category that best matches your business and continue again. You will then see the screen that asks how to classify this work. Choose the option that fits your situation, such as your main or only source of income, your side job for extra money, or a business you own and operate. After that, click Continue. Next, indicate whether you started or stopped rideshare driving during the tax year. If you started during the year, enter your start date and continue. TurboTax will also ask whether you paid any W-2 employees during the year. Answer that question, then move on to the next one about payments that require filing Form 1099, such as payments to contractors of $600 or more. Continue through any follow-up questions that appear. If TurboTax asks whether you have an employer identification number, select the answer that applies. If you do not have one, choose No, I do not, and continue. On the less common situations screen, select None of these apply unless one of the listed situations matches your rideshare business. Then continue to the summary page and review the rideshare driving info to confirm that your business details are correct. When everything looks right, click Continue. Now you will be on the screen for entering income for your rideshare driving work. Under Common Income, select Form 1099 NEC and click Continue. On the 1099 NEC review screen, enter the details from your Uber Form 1099 NEC. Use Uber as the payer name. Select the correct federal ID number format shown on the form. Enter the amount from Box 1 for non-employee compensation. If there is any amount in Box 4 for federal income tax withheld, enter that as well. Leave Box 3, the direct sales checkbox, and Boxes 5 through 7 blank unless those fields apply to your form. Then click Continue. TurboTax may then ask whether the amount in Box 1 includes tips or overtime. Select Yes or No for each one based on your form and continue. From there, follow the remaining prompts to enter any other self-employment income, add eligible business expenses like mileage, vehicle expenses, tolls, and phone usage, and review your Schedule C before you file your return. Your Uber 1099 NEC income is now entered in TurboTax and included in your Schedule C.